Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add YouTube shorts to a playlist. Now, organizing your shorts into playlists can help boost watch time and keep your content structured. And here's how to do it. Now before we start, I have to notify you that adding YouTube shorts to a playlist isn't available in your in the mobile device in the YouTube app. It's only available in YouTube Studio. So I'm gonna tell you the steps you're gonna do in your PC to save them into your playlist, and I'm gonna tell you about about another thing you can do on your YouTube app using your computer. Now, for the first step on your computer, you have to go to YouTube Studio, and to do that, just open your browser and then search for studio.youtube.com. After that, log in using your account. Sorry about that. After that, log in using your account's credentials, and after that, click content from the left menu. Click content from the left menu and select the short video and find what you want to add and click on edit. It's usually on the pencil icon. After that, add to playlists by scrolling down to the playlist section and click and select playlists and choose an existing playlist. After that, create a new one, and for the fourth and final step is to save changes, and you can do this by clicking save, and your short is now added to a playlist. Now, to do that on your mobile, you can only save audios from YouTube shorts. As you can see, if I went to my playlist right here, let's see playlists. Click here. Let's view all playlists. As you can see, there's an automatically created playlist that is named sounds from shorts. This means you can save sounds from shorts you've watched. Like, I'm gonna look for YouTube shorts that's
step forward, man.
that shows
I always thought
that has an audio. Let's see. As you can see, this one has an original sound. I'm just gonna click on it, and I'm gonna click on save, and just like that, it is saved to the sounds from shorts playlist. Here. Oh. And that's it. And if you want to access that audio, you can just click on your playlist, and go to the playlist sounds from shorts, and you'll find the sound from the shorts you want. And you can also find the shorts sometimes when the shorts used its original sound. You'll find the shorts here. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you add YouTube shorts to a playlist. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.